What if I told you that eating just 5 small dates a day could change your energy, digestion, and even how your body handles sugar? No supplements, no powders, just a simple fruit that's been around for thousands of years. Stick with me, because what happens when you eat dates daily is way more interesting than most people think. Dates are one of the oldest fruits humans have eaten. They show up in Middle Eastern diets, traditional meals, and even modern snack bars. In the US, most people see dates as a holiday food or something tucked away in the baking aisle. But dates are more than just sweet treats. They're packed with natural sugars, fiber, minerals, and plant compounds that directly affect how your body feels and functions. When you eat a few once in a while, they taste good. When you eat them every day, especially around 5 dates, patterns start to show up in your body. Some are great, some depend on how and when you eat them. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens if you eat 5 dates daily. No hype, no fear, just real effects explained in everyday language so you can decide if this habit fits your life. Let's start with energy, because that's usually the first thing people notice. Dates are rich in natural sugars like glucose and fructose. Unlike candy or soda, these sugars come packaged with fiber. That means the energy release is slower and steadier. When you eat 5 dates, especially in the morning or before activity, you may feel a gentle energy boost without a hard crash later. This makes dates a popular choice for people who work out, walk a lot, or feel drained midday. It's not a caffeine buzz, it's more like your body finally has fuel. Now let's talk about digestion. Dates are high in fiber. 5 dates can give you a solid portion of your daily fiber needs. Fiber helps keep food moving through your digestive system, which supports regular bowel movements. People who eat dates daily often notice less constipation and less bloating over time. Your gut bacteria also love fiber, and healthier gut bacteria support digestion, immunity, and even mood. Next up, blood sugar. This one surprises people. Dates are sweet, so many assume they spike blood sugar badly, but because of their fiber content, dates actually have a moderate impact on blood sugar when eaten in a reasonable amount. Eating 5 dates with meals or alongside protein or healthy fats can help slow sugar absorption. That can lead to more stable energy and fewer crashes compared to refined sugar snacks. Now let's talk about cravings. Dates are naturally sweet, which makes them a great replacement for desserts and candy. Eating 5 dates daily can reduce sugar cravings over time because your body gets sweetness along with nutrients. Many people find they reach less for cookies or chocolate once dates become part of their routine. This can quietly improve diet quality without feeling restrictive. Let's move to heart health. Dates contain potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. Magnesium supports blood vessel relaxation and heart rhythm. Eating dates daily may help support healthy circulation and heart function, especially when combined with a diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Now let's talk about muscles and recovery. Dates provide potassium and small amounts of magnesium, both important for muscle contraction and relaxation. If you exercise, walk a lot, or deal with muscle cramps, daily dates may help reduce tightness and fatigue. They're also a quick source of carbs, which helps replenish muscle energy after workouts. Now let's talk about brain health and mood. Dates contain antioxidants that help protect brain cells from oxidative stress. They also support steady blood sugar, which plays a role in mood stability. People often notice fewer mood swings and better focus when blood sugar is more balanced. This doesn't mean dates cure anxiety or depression, but nutrition does influence how you feel day to day. Now let's talk about inflammation. Dates contain plant compounds that help fight low-grade inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to joint pain, fatigue, and aging. Eating dates regularly may help reduce inflammation over time, supporting joint comfort and overall recovery. Let's move to bone health. Dates contain minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium that support bone strength. While they're not a replacement for dairy or weight-bearing exercise, they add to your overall nutrient intake. This is especially helpful as we age and bone density becomes more important. Now let's talk about skin and hair. Dates contain antioxidants and nutrients that support skin cell repair and hydration. Better digestion and hydration also show up on the skin. Some people notice clearer skin and better hair texture over time when dates are part of a balanced diet. Again, this is gradual, not overnight. Let's talk about immunity. Dates contain antioxidants and small amounts of vitamins that support immune health. When your gut health improves and inflammation decreases, your immune system often becomes more resilient. This can mean fewer minor illnesses and faster recovery when you do get sick. Now let's talk about weight. Eating 5 dates daily does not automatically cause weight gain. In fact, because dates are filling, they can help control appetite when eaten mindfully. The problem happens when dates are eaten on top of an already high-calorie diet. 5 dates replace snacks, not add to them. Let's talk about portion size. 5 dates is a reasonable daily amount for most people. That's usually around 100 to 120 calories, depending on size. Eating double or triple that regularly can lead to excess calorie intake. Moderation matters, even with healthy foods. Now let's talk about timing. Many people enjoy dates in the morning, before workouts, or as an afternoon snack. Eating them late at night can still be fine, but pairing them with protein helps prevent sugar spikes. Dates with nuts, yogurt, or peanut butter work well. Now let's talk about digestion again, because not everyone reacts the same way. Some people with sensitive digestion may feel bloated if they eat too many dates at once. Spreading them out through the day can help. Drinking enough water also helps fiber do its job properly. Now let's talk about dental health. Dates are sticky and sweet, which means they can stick to teeth. If you eat them daily, it's important to rinse your mouth or brush your teeth afterward to protect enamel. This simple habit prevents cavities. Now let's talk about dates versus date syrup. Whole dates are better than date syrup because they contain fiber. Date syrup is concentrated sugar and should be used sparingly. Stick with whole dates for daily use. Now let's talk about quality. Choose dates with minimal processing and no added sugar. Medjool dates are popular, but smaller varieties work just as well. Fresh, soft dates are easier to digest than overly dry ones. Now let's talk about lifestyle. Dates work best as part of a balanced lifestyle that includes movement, sleep, hydration, and whole foods. They support good habits, but they don't replace them. Now let's pause for a moment. So far, dates sound like a solid, healthy food, but here's where things get really interesting. The most surprising thing about eating 5 dates daily isn't the fiber or the energy. It's how they can change your relationship with sweetness. When your body gets natural sweetness along with nutrients, your cravings start to calm down. You feel satisfied instead of constantly chasing sugar highs. That shift alone can improve energy, mood, and food choices without willpower battles. That's the real power of dates. They don't just feed your body, they retrain your habits quietly. So let's wrap this up. Eating 5 dates daily can support steady energy, digestion, heart health, muscle recovery, mood balance, and reduced sugar cravings. They're simple, affordable, and easy to add to real life. The key is portion control, timing, and listening to your body. If you're looking for a natural way to replace processed snacks, dates are a strong option. Pair them with protein, drink enough water, and keep things balanced. Now I want to hear from you. Do you already eat dates, or would you consider adding 5 dates a day to your routine? And when do you usually crave something sweet the most? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe for more simple health breakdowns, and share it with someone who loves sweet snacks but wants healthier options.